Hello, welcome to Tom's Cubes and Games. I was just about to show how to change the core to run Gran Turismo if you're having difficulty because it won't steer. And here's a real life example of there's no sound. So I'm just going to quit and restart the machine. And if there's no sound, usually just a restart does the trick. It sometimes loses sound if you go into screensaver, and what you can do is just go to sleep and awake, and usually sleeping and awaking once or twice restores sound as well. Okay, we got sound. R1, L1, skip through the list quicker. Right, so somebody said they having difficulty with the controls in Gran Turismo. Let's take a look. To get around it, we just change the core. Tip, hold select, tap R2 for fast forward. And same again to release from fast forward. Now everything's fine, but it won't steer. No, everything else works. But we can't steer. So let's quit, select, double tap start. Now we'll change it just for this game. So don't hold it, just tap X. Near the bottom, advanced game options. Press A. Emulator. We'll change the core to DuckStation. Press A to select, B to go back, A to start the game again. This time we should have full functioning steering. Okay, let's skip just to have a quick look at that the steering works. And as you see, we have steering, and the other controls still work. So everything works fine with DuckStation for Gran Turismo. My excuse is I'm looking around the edge of the camera. That's no excuse for that. I've got to work my skills got to get good. Right, well, I hope you found that useful. Thank you for watching. Bye.